It's the colors of the sunset. The guy in town said it's escape proof.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love it.
I'll take it. You got it.
Aloha.
This is Granny sleeping and snoring in her room while watching a Christmas movie.
Is here at the Mauna Kea. We hope that you'll enjoy reliving some of your fondest memories as you wander around the pavilion. And don't forget to join us for Christmas Eve caroling tomorrow night. Mahalo.
What's this? Is that you and your kid? What happened? You used to be so cute. Hey, I want to skip out on the caroling, but I do want to go on some hikes tomorrow because this island is known for the hikes. Also, when we get next to the ferry, my parents go to school. There's this new hotel in town. I want to talk about the engagement party, which obviously, of course, you're invited to.
I'm just gonna go and get some air real quick.
She'll be okay. I guess it's pretty serious after all.
What are we doing here?
I don't know. Tell me.
Are we walking down memory lane, rekindling an old flame twice? Twice you walked away from me.
Oh, that's not fair.
No, it's not fair. We're not kids anymore. I'm a done.
I didn't want to leave last year, but I had to. You knew I did.